Hi guys, this is the final video of this tutorial and we're going to be discussing the border. So this is my triangle of the cardigan, and so this goes on this side of the garment, or that will be this side on top of the base. We do this in order for this to be foldable and to have this sort of look, so folded border. And, okay, let's go into it. So I've done about 40 exactly actually 48 rows on the body of the cardigan, and once I've reached the point where I want to have the border, depending on length, somebody wants to do less rows if they're shorter. I'm quite tall, so I needed more rows. At the end, once we've done the base 4 stitches, we chain 2, and then we'll do 2 half double crochets or 2 half treble crochets. We chain 1, and then in between this stitch, so on one row, and this stitch on the second row, we do another half double crochet, and then another. So we have 2 half double crochets for each row. Then we chain 1, we go on the next one, we do another half double crochet and another one. I'm trying to kind of pull a little bit yarn, and then on the next one, so in between each row we make half double crochet or half treble crochet in the UK, and this will conclude. So in the corner, what we do is we do the standard 4 double crochets, sorry, then we chain 2, and then we do 2 half double crochet for each row, and that will look like this. I will do the whole row. I've done this so the border folds. If you don't want the border to fold, you don't need to do this part. The cardigan can be worn without this border. I think that it does finish the look, but in the middle where we start the project, which is this part, we make 2 half double crochets, or treble in the UK. Chain 1, another 2 set of 2, then another. So we pretty much use a modified granny stitch with 2 half double crochets, chain 1. Oops, that's 1 and another one, and that goes for each row we've done. In our triangle, we put 2 half double crochets. So I will just finish to show you how do we start the new row. 1 and another one. Chain 1. So all the rounds. If the garment is as big as mine, then you will have a lot of work to do. And it uses a lot of yarn. I've used the pastel colors of the rainbow. Now, when we finish there, we go in this. Oops. And we don't go anywhere actually. We just chain 2 and we slip stitch, because that concludes our row. So there we go. So it's equally the same the other side. We can continue. If we're doing the same color, we can continue by doing 2 half double crochet for the corner, chain 2, and 4 double crochets, or treble in the UK. So we don't skip on doing 4 double crochets. And 3. Now once the border is done, and I've done 24 I believe, this part looks much finished, which will be a border, something like this. And it looks quite neat, I thought. There we go. Bye.